Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to save TikTok draft to camera roll. So for the first, opening TikTok, click on the plus icon for the post. Record a video. Now tap on, click on to next, click on everyone can view this post and customize this option only you, and then post. Go to profile. Now I'm checked. Click on to lock icon and now video saved to here. So that's how we can easily save TikTok draft to camera roll. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.